We are going through exercise 13D, question 3, and in this video I'm going to go through C. So let's give this a go. Here is what we have, and we have to solve this for x. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure all my bases are the same. I have 27, I have 3, I have 27, I have 3. Obviously the base that I'm going to be using is 3. 3 to the 3 is 27. I then am going to multiply that. I have 3 to the x here, and make sure you remember that this has a 2 there. Then you're going to do the same on this side. 27 is 3 to the 3, and I have an x there, and then I'm going to have 3 to the half. The next thing I'm going to do is add together my indices. So for instance here, I have the same base, and I'm multiplying. That means I'm going to plus my indices. So it's going to be 3 plus x. Now don't forget you also have these brackets, and you have this 2 here. Then this is going to be, I'm going to plus these together, which is going to leave me with 3x plus 1 over 2. The next thing I'm going to do is use my third index laws to multiply these indices with each other. So that's going to be 6 plus 2x equals 3x plus 1 over 2. I now can equate my indices with each other, so that is going to be equal to that, and that's because my bases are the same, and you got this equal sign. So I've got 6 plus 2x equals 3x plus 1 over 2. I'm going to get my highlighter, and I'm going to say this is equal to this. I now am going to rearrange to solve for x. So in order to do that, I'm going to subtract both sides by 2x. So that will get rid of that on this side, and I'll just be left with x on this side. And then I'm going to minus 1/2 from both sides. Now, in order to subtract a fraction from something, I'm going to have to make sure this has the same denominator. So this is going to be 12 over 2. So 12 over 2 is the same as 6, and then I'm subtracting 1/2 from that. 12 over 2 minus 1/2. Remember, I'm just subtracting my numerators. So it's going to be 11 over 2 is going to be equal to x. And that's where I'm going to leave it. I'm going to get my yellow out, and I'm going to highlight this. That's my final answer. Hopefully this video was helpful for you in answering this question if you got stuck on it.